The East Khasi Hills Police have begun a crackdown on transport law violations following fresh instructions from the Commissioner of Transport. Superintendent of Police Traffic Department Kamakhya Prasad confirmed that all traffic personnel have been directed to conduct thorough vehicle checks across the district. Speaking to the media from his office today, SP Prasad said any violation detected will be dealt with strictly under existing laws. He added that while the current operation is focused on East Khasi Hills, similar enforcement is expected statewide as the directive applies to all districts. The SP also cautioned that penalties will be imposed on those failing to comply with the transport rules. Special attention is being given to illegal hiring of private vehicles and scooties. Traffic branches have been activated to monitor such practices, and anyone found operating without valid permits or registration will face legal consequences.
We have asked the tourist taxi associations. There are some like-minded people are also there. They are giving us the information. As and when the informations are coming to us, we will take the appropriate actions. That traffic, as well, is going smoothly that side. As you know, that the MES is one of the vital points that where we are connecting to 3 districts. So traffic flow is going on. There is no as such.
No disturbance.
No disturbance as such. Yeah. Okay. So far the traffic is concerned, we are giving the free regulations. We are monitoring the traffic. We are ensuring that there should not be any obstructions. But due to the ongoing constructions at MES stage from the Rhino Point to the Upper Shillongs, there is a bit congestions in between. However, the traffic police they are maintaining, and we have deployed enough people there to man the streets so that there should not be any problems.